Good afternoon. Hey, we're ready for our second video of the day. Today what we're going to make is burnt cheese foldovers. And I was actually learning this recipe from one of my senior servers, Candy. So what we're doing is, today we're going to make foldovers. One of my favorite is barbecued pulled pork. And then I'm going to make an Italian sub cheese foldover. Remember, these are low carb. So let's get started. What I want to do is I'm going to start heating some of this stuff up, so we can get the cheese going. Okay, I got that there, Doug. Now I want to cook this also. Just get it all cooking up together. I probably put way too much on. That's me. Okay.
Well, it's better than too little.
And I'll be right back, Doug.
All right.
Hey folks, what I got my black stone going here. It's getting hot. I want to try to pre-cook some of this stuff before I put it on our burnt cheese foldovers.
All right.
Okay. Hey Doug, with these, this is just one of the hundreds of different recipes you can do with these burnt cheese fold-ups. I'm telling you, whatever you like, throw it on there. That's what we do.
Some chicken bacon. That's a good one.
Oh man.
Yeah.
That's good.
All right.
Hey Doug, as you see, we got our first one cooking here, but I like using it as a buttery flavor food release. You got all these kind of food releases in the grocery store.
Yeah.
What I have here is a mixture of Monterey cheddar, Mott's, shaved Parmesan, and my manager Tobin's secret ingredient, oregano. Okay?
Ooh, I can smell it.
Yeah,
Smells
it's good. So we have our barbecue sauce preheated, our pulled pork, and our warm Italian concoction.
Yeah, concoction. That's a good one. That looks good though.
Okay. So let's let this finish up.
All right.
And then we'll flip it, okay? Hey folks, there's two ways to do it. You can cook one side and then the other. I personally don't like to cook the other side because I like gooey cheese. Doug, look under here. You see that?
Oh yeah, you're starting to see the burn.
Yeah, you get in there. So now what we're going to do, Doug, we're going to make this first one. I'm going to lay a little ham in there.
And we've only been in there for how long's that been on there, Mike?
Not very long.
Yeah. Just check.
This is almost like an omelet. If you're making an omelet,
Yeah.
the rule is put whatever you want in there. Okay, Doug?
Yeah.
Hot
It's
pepper
just,
in,
it smells good with all those cheeses and that oregano.
for sure. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going to try to flip it.
Beautiful.
Oh, man.
She's hot.
Okay, we're getting there. Ooh.
Get it?
Holy moly, mama mia. What the hell have we created?
I think we created something I'm going to eat. That's what we created.
Hey, now
Here we go.
Now we're going to go to number 2, Doug.
Pulled pork, baby. All right, prepping for number 2.
Number 2, Doug.
So if they didn't see that, now they do. So that's that concoction in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
Man, it smells great here, guys.
Sure does. Ooh, okay, I'm going to get your plate, Doug. I hope you're hungry. Because I'm not. Okay, Doug, this is a preheated Mike's Place famous pulled pork.
So you get it to about the place where it's burned on the bottom before, and then start adding.
I love it. And this is just, I'm telling you, Doug, this is like making an omelet.
By the way, I love your pulled pork. I don't do anything with the...
And then we sell so many omelets at Mike's Place that we have to put the toppings on the top. So if you order a spinach and bacon omelet, you don't get an avocado and watermelon omelet. So,
They
okay?
got watermelon omelets?
Not yet, but coming to a Mike's Place near you.
All right.
They are professional taste tester, Doug Jenkins.
Let me try. Mike, this is pretty nice. I like the texture. I like the carb friendly. And I like the Italian. But I don't know how to eat it.
Well, you got to cut all the way through.
Oh, see, that's why I'm not making the dish. Hold on. I gotta make these at home. Those things are so good.
Are they?
Yeah, let me try this one now. Let me just hit this real
You
quick.
gotta get yourself some pork, man.
Where's the pork?
It's in there. The barbecue pulled pork. Oh yeah.
I'm getting camera shy. You know, I gotta learn how to cut. All right, let me try this. The cheese is awesome.
Yeah,
The way that you made the cheese.
you gotta get the cheese and the stuff together.
Is that your pulled pork?
Yep. Mike's Place pulled pork, Kent, Ohio.
Oh, man.
Is that a thumbs up? Thumbs
I
up.
like both of them. Mike, I know this. Every video we've done, I've never said that I don't like something. If I don't like something, I will say it. So everything you make is top shelf. And this cheese, the way that you mixed it with that oregano, like I'm not a connoisseur, but I can taste it. It tastes awesome. It tastes awesome.
Thanks, Doug.
Did I get anything on me?
No, nothing. So let's get ready and make sure you subscribe to our videos.
Awesome.
Doug and I are ready to start making more videos.
I'm gonna finish these.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Everyone be safe out there and let's think peace.
Woo!
See you later, Doug.
Mike's over there doing dishes and he doesn't realize he just ate both of these things. We'll surprise him in the video too. These are good. Oh my God, they're good. Dang. I'm sure I ate two of them now.